This is the scene of the helicopter crash here in Vauxhall. As you can see, it's all closed off. If you take a look up here, I just got confirmation that this is the crane the helicopter hit. And you can see there's quite a bit of smoke up there as well, and this whole area smells of gasoline. I've heard a constant sound of sirens as well driving around, but we'll keep you updated.